Okay, so I've had some issues when I go to open my fuel door that it will hit right up here in this area. So I was looking for different ways. Don't mind the racy bird stripe there, but ways to adjust this. So I tried pulling this back, and then the fuel door came off in my hand. And that's the way it's supposed to work. This is a very simple tab design. That's what the 6 black pieces you see there do. They slide into this notch right here, and then you can adjust how far it is, how far they go by pushing the fuel door in or pulling it out. So it takes a couple times to adjust this, so don't shut your fuel door all the way, but go ahead and line those guys up right on the tracks. You'll know when it's there because it'll be mounted both top, bottom, and then there'll be slight pressure, and then you can just slide it on. Use the fuel door catch in your thumb to kind of press this down. You'll be able to feel it go all the way down. I think I've got it too far. You can see it hits. So I'm going to just ease this back a little bit. A little tougher one-handed. There's how it hits. That's all the way in. So that's the max adjustment. I'm going to pause this for a second while I take it off. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put it back on. Do a little test fit here. You can see that's way too much of a gap. So again, just ever so slightly move it in. Again, that's a little too much. A little more. Might need to push a little more towards the top. And it doesn't take much, just very slight. And that's probably exactly where I want it. Make sure that it's not hitting when it shuts. And then open it a few times, make sure that's where I need it. Then go ahead and push it in, and it's fully set.